Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today we're gonna make a wreath out of tissue paper and a wire hanger. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a wire hanger and you're gonna kind of bend it like this, and you're gonna shape it into the shape of a heart. So it does bend, it takes a little bit of strength. Show us your muscles. And you're gonna bend this right into the form of a heart. All right, I got my heart. Now at the bottom where the wire hooks together, I'm gonna untwist it. So it pops open like that, okay? Now I'm gonna set that aside for a minute, and I'm gonna take my tissue paper and I'm gonna stack it up in stacks, and then I'm gonna cut it into strips and then finally into little squares. So I'm gonna cut my tissue paper into strips like this, and then take this strip and cut it into squares. Okay, I've got all my tissue paper cut now. Now we're gonna take our wire hanger here, and we're gonna take just kind of like a small little pinch of whatever color you want, and you're gonna poke it through the hanger and just kind of thread it through. And you can just keep doing that, little pinches of the tissue paper, thread it through. You can make a pattern, you can do whatever colors you want. It's gonna take a while. Take your time, have fun with this, and just thread all this onto your heart. All right, I have all my tissue paper on there now. I'm gonna kind of spread it out a little bit and crunch these. It makes it look a little bit more full. So I'm gonna spread them out, crunch them a little bit, and look at that heart. So now I'm gonna take the bottom part of the hanger and I'm gonna twist it back together. Okay, there we go. I have my heart made out of a hanger. If you want to do more fun activities, you should check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.